Hello, welcome from Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got another smartwatch review, which is like Smartwatch F3. As you know, I already got F4. You can check the review somewhere, pop up here or there. Really good watch, I like them, but I make a decision buy this F3. And why? Because it looks like more standard watch. It's actually waterproof and it's so lovely. Looks like really expensive watch when you wear them. And I really like them. And what's got on the package? It's on the package is actually just watch and some standard Chinese and English manual, which is like I always said is useless. Once you read once, but it's fine. And if you're interested about the full review for this watch, just keep watching this video.
As you know, I already own this smartwatch F4, and because I like them, it's really good. You can check the review, which is pop up on the corner here. I make a decision buy like watch which is like more looks like watch, which is F3. What's the difference? This actually looks like more standard watch. It looks like some Casio watch, and you can see it's the standard display which got the extra lights as well. It's not really visible now, but it's like, can maybe see like this. Yeah, it's like illuminate lights inside. It's like standard Casio watch or something like this. Watch is really good on this watch. It's a battery life. It's usually, because it's the standard battery like CR2032, I think, the battery life is about 1 year. Yeah, you could hear. You don't need to change and care about battery almost 1 year. Minimum from manufacturer, he said, is 6 months, but most people said this battery actually is live about 1 year on one change battery. How's the build quality? Build quality is absolutely brilliant. I like strap, is nice, stretchy, it's not feel like will be broken soon. You can easily read the time, which is mainly made this, it's for time, and you got a couple of modes, like you got the calendar, you got the how many steps you done, which is absolutely nice, and how many calorie burn as well. What's your distance of walking, which is like 6.6 kilometer now, which is not bad. After that we have an alarm, we got a stopwatch, we got the ultraviolet index mode, and we got a barometric pressure display. It's the more than enough function you needed. You got also Bluetooth switching on off, which actually you need to pair with your phone. It's like holding the light sensor. Once you switch the light, you're holding for another 3 seconds, you switch on the Bluetooth, and once it's flashing you can connect with your phone, and after that you can install Fundo application, which I recommend, and it's not really bad. But if you also pair all the time your phone with this watch, you will be have a flashing the messaging or phone call if you miss call or something like this, which is like useful if you want to check this for something special, like miss phone call or you got a message on your phone, you can still check it. As you can see, the build quality is very nice. I like them, and hopefully you like them as well. And if you compare with F4, and I'll be try switch that, but I forgot chargeable battery, but yeah, it's fine. It's just like compare the build quality. Both is absolutely nice. I like them. Yeah, here you go. We got a smartwatch F4 and F3. I like both. This F3, it's absolutely brilliant and nice quality. Click like and subscribe for more content like this.